Imagine paying $2 million for a car that makes no sound.
And it's faster than a fighter jet takeoff.
Zero to 60 in under 2 seconds.
Only billionaires even know this brand exists.
Welcome to America's secret electric hypercar. Its entire body is pure carbon fiber.
The battery is stronger than a spaceship module.
Price starts above $2 million.
These wheels alone cost more than a Tesla.
The dashboard feels like a private jet cockpit. Only 150 units exist worldwide. Every single car is built by hand. Artificial intelligence controls every movement. Delivery happens in armored trucks.
At night, it looks completely unreal.
4 electric motors produce insane torque. Nearly 2,000 horsepower.
Designed in wind tunnels for zero drag. Brakes powerful enough to stop a rocket.
Charges to 80% in 20 minutes. Insurance costs $80,000 per year. Battery replacement? $400,000. Custom paint alone can hit $100,000.
It launches without making any sound.
It starts with the owner's fingerprint.
Owners receive a golden key at delivery.
Inside tunnels, it feels like teleportation.
Whenever it appears, crowds freeze and record. This is not just a car, it's a status weapon.
This is the future of power on 4 wheels.